अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, कतर व्लॉग्स में आपको खुशामदीद कहता हूँ। तो चलते हैं, आज आपको कतर में रेल का टूर करवाते हैं। न्यूली ओपन हुई है, अभी नई नई ओपन हुई है गोल्ड लाइन। बेसिकली यहाँ पे 3 लाइन हैं या 4 हैं, और तफसील आपको मैं अभी बाद में बता रहा हूँ। तो चलते हैं, आज आपको इसका टूर करवाते हैं। उसके अलावा हमारे साथ जुड़े रहिए। आज आपको जॉब के हवाले से अपडेट देनी है कि कतर में जॉब्स भी आई हुई हैं, उसका मैं अभी आपको पूरी तफसील दूंगा। तो चलिए हमारे साथ। ये आप देख रहे हैं कतर रेल, इसका ये मोनोग्राम अल सोडान स्टेशन पे मैं खड़ा हूँ। यहाँ पे एलिवेटर है, एलिवेटर यहाँ से जाएगा अंडर द रोड एंड देयर इज़ द स्टेशन। लेट्स गो नाउ। हम एलिवेटर के अंदर आ गए हैं, बटन पुश कर लिया और ये हमें सीधा लेके जाएगा। So we are inside the station. So I am going to receptionist. Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good, sir. Thank you for asking.
So what we have to do to travel in the rail?
Yes, you need to buy first a card. So we have two types of card. The standard, CSC standard, which is cost 10 riyals,
Okay.
no balance.
Okay.
And then the another one is CSC gold, which is 100 riyals.
100 real.
Yes.
What,
And
10
also
real?
no balance.
Yeah, no balance.
Yes.
So
for
no
the-
balance means
So meaning to say we need to put a top up. We need to top up first.
Okay.
In order to have a balance.
mm-hmm.
So for the CSC standard, so I show you something.
Yeah,
I give you sample.
So here is the route for Gold Line, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is going to Ras Abu Abud, here.
Raspa
Then Masharab, the main junction. Then Ben Mahmoud, Al Sad. Oh, it's gone. Okay, it will come back. I will make it again. So this one single January Qatarrail 2, 10 Real. It's Gold Club, limited use, standard and family Qatarrail 2 and Gold Club Qatarrail 10. So day pass. This is in Arabic. Tazkara al Yum Wahid 6 Real. 30 real, this one gold also, and metro tram, this one Lucille for this one. This tram is also working, huh? Tram,
yes,
it's
that
going
is
to
available,
from
sir.
Lucille to, sorry, this tram from where?
From the sale, but it's still not confirmed.
Okay, this one Ras Abu Abu, this gold line, I am traveling to gold line. This is from Ras Abu Abu to main junction is Musharraf, then Musharraf to Bin Mahmoud, then Al Sad, then Joan, then Al Sudan signal, Al Sudan station. I am here, then Al Wab, then Madinat al Riyaza, and then Al Azizia. This is the route for gold line.
For the gold, CSC gold, not because CSC gold. So the minimum top up for this is 10 riyals.
Okay.
The maximum top up is 500 riyals.
Okay.
And this is for the CSC standard. So the minimum top up is 5 riyals. The maximum is 500 riyals.
So what you will prefer for me, because I am not using too much rail because I have cars. So I am just come here to take visit. Maybe when I came again, I will take a new one.
Yes, sir.
Which will you will prefer to me to buy?
Okay, for the less, it's hassle free if you buy this one. This two types of card. So if you have this one and it's still a load or balance, no need to fall in line in our machine. So you can you're able to direct in our AFC gate, then check in, and then you can go to the train to board.
Okay, thank you. Then give me one. This one people can pay by card for CAD, by bank card to rail card. Even you can buy this card by cash, and you can top up. So stay tuned with me. I will show you all the travel area. So guys, here I take my card and also the map for Qatarrail. Discovered Doha on the metro. So here it's look like. So let's go.
So you just need to
tap the card here.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. Let's see on the side, sir. There
Yeah.
you go. You
Here we
can
go.
get in.
Thank
And
you.
then from here, sir, you just need to take the escalator going down and you take the train, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Hi. We can go from this elevator down, and here also this escalators. So we're using escalator. Beautiful, beautiful, very beautiful. I love it. Yeah, this is very beautiful. So here we go. This is the, and if we come down on the way right side, this is Ras, going to Ras Abud. This is Al Matahaf Anni, Yani National Museum, then Suq Waqf, Musharraf bin Mahmud, Al Sad, Juan, and we are here in Al Sudan. So from Al Sudan signal station, we can go Azizia, Sport City, and Al Wab. So we are going to Al Azizia now. Take a look. It's very, very beautiful. القطار القادم يتجه إلى راس وعبود. Yeah. يرجى السماح you can hear. من القطار قبل الصعود. The train approaching is for Ras Abu Abud. Please allow passengers off the train before boarding. So it's came for Ras Abu Abud. So here we are going to Ras Abu Abud. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This station is Sudan. Being a Muslims, we have to pray. Subhanalladhi sakhara lana haza wa ma kunna lahu muqrinin wa inna ila rabbina lamunqalibun. So here the door is closed and looks like very beautiful. Door is closing. Stand clear. Beautiful, very beautiful. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. هذا القطار متجه إلى راس وعبود. المحطة التالية هي جوعان. This train is for Ras Abu Abud. The next station is Juan. Next station is Juan. It's announcing everything, so people will be informed. It's fully AC, and here we can see here. We are now approaching Juan. You can see here we are going from here to this one Juan's station. So how you can see the speed of this rail from inside. So here it looks a very luxury seats, and also there is the gates. So you can see how many cabins here. You can go in front, no problem. You take a look. This one also. It's very beautiful. Very beautiful. And it's closed from here. I think not allowed. It's slowing down now. This is how it looks like the station. People are waiting here for rail. Wow, it's very beautiful. We are now at Al Sad station. Ben Mahmoud station is a little bit different. It's on the right side, as you can see here. All the big stations like Joan, Al Sad, Al Sudan, they are on left side. This is on the right side. Sorry. This station is Bin Mahmoud. Bin Mahmoud. This station is Bin Mahmoud. We are at Bin Mahmoud. It's going now to Al Masharab. Al Masharab is the main junction for the Qatarrail. Now it's approaching to Masharab. As you can see.
هذه المحطة هي مشير.
This station is Musharraf. Wagif.
From Masharab to Sugwagaf.
هذه المحطة هي سوق واقف.
This station is Souk Wagif.
After the Sugwagaf, now we are heading to National Museum. So we are going out from National Museum. We are out now. So it's door closed. Board line is gone. So here I think you can see. It's went. Now we are. जी तो व्यूअर्स, आपको बताया था और एक छोटा सा टूर भी करवाया। तो जॉब के हवाले से आपसे बात की थी शुरू में। तो शिरका अल अनीस कतर में है। शिरका अल अनीस जो कि बहुत अच्छा शिरका है, अच्छी कंपनी है जो इस वक्त डील कर रही है मोबाइल्स और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स के हवाले से। तो उसके लिए आपको ये करना है कि वीडियो की डिस्क्रिप्शन में जाएंगे, वहाँ से आपको एक लिंक मिलेगा उनकी वेबसाइट का, उनके फेसबुक पेज का। वहाँ पे जाके आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। और वीडियो को अगर पसंद आए तो लाइक कर दें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें और दोस्तों के साथ शेयर भी करें। इसके अलावा उनके मैं आपको लिंक दे दूँगा, वहाँ पे आप जाके उसमें अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। तो जॉब्स जो भी हैं वो वहीं पे आप देख लेंगे। मैं यहाँ पे आपको ये अभी इधर नज़र आएगा, ये स्क्रीन में भी देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पे भी नज़र आ जाएगा आपको। तो दुआओं में याद रखिएगा। सो हियर वी केम बैक टू अल सूडान। सो दिस टाइम आई हैव टू डू माई सेल्फ। वी हैव टू शो माई कार्ड हियर। इट्स ओपन। यल्ला मस्सलाम। Okay, thank you. See you again, inshallah. Thank you very much. It's a good experience. So हम यहाँ से गए थे और